state park right by our house. Well, not right by, a little drive, but it's a fun little place to visit. Something to do on a sunny day. Hi. How you doing?
Dad.
Dad, what's the matter?
The sand just wasn't coming out.
Oh, it looks like you got too wet of sand, honey. Skipping rocks? Alright, I'll check back on you. Are you guys making something? A hot tub. Cool.
All the way over there.
It goes from all the way over there. Oh, cool. Alright, I'll check back in on you, okay? How's it going?
Good.
Good. Taking a little break. Eating a little snack. Lunch. Snacky lunch.
Drink snack on sand. Soda. Going what? Going twice? No one really wants that.
We were enjoying the beach and then some huge storm clouds came. And we got kind of nervous. We didn't want to get drenched on, so
Here's a free flip-flop.
we came to the park. Packed up our stuff and came to the park for a little bit.
Yeah.
Scarlett loves to swing.
Yes, I do. And I finally learned how.
You finally learned how? I thought you knew how.
No.
You didn't.
Well, I do now, but I didn't know that well before.
Oh. Let me see where Saul went.
Over there.
Over there. Kind of a small playground, but something to do. Rather than just go right back home. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Lizard.
Don't scare me.
What? That wasn't me. That wasn't me. I don't know.
That was me.
I don't know why they make those things. They never work.
I know. It's a fun idea.
They always break and they don't fix it. You're gonna pinch yourself.
Yeah. Rock climbing.
Yeah. They're like, so they're supposed to step on over there.
Ah, she caught ya.
Yeah, I did. I just did that. So you think. I'm gonna jump.
Are you really?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Well, there's a leaf print on rock.
Uh-huh.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Oh, you didn't even need anyone to catch you that time.
No.
Cool. I just had to share this beautiful rainbow with you. So pretty. We're actually getting ready to go to the park. And a rainstorm came. We had a few errands to run.
And all that was the good time, and then it just started pouring.
And it started pouring. But at least we get to see a rainbow out of it. So, ugh, I'm getting wet. Put my window up. We got our errands run, right?
Right. We survived that.
And rainbow.
It's gonna blow over, I think.
You think so? Everything will be wet now. But that's all for now. Goodbye.
Take care now. Bye-bye then.
What was that?
Take care now. Bye-bye then.
You got it, girl. Good job. Did I get you?
Nope.
Startled. Not quite to the level that you experienced.
What's going on here?
We are adding a horn to Sissy's Jeep.
Good.
So we're gonna learn how to solder, and do some wiring.
Got a nice ride, girl. check you out later.
Alright, we'll show you when we're all done.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here's Scarlett. Here's her horn button. She did the screws all on her own, didn't you? She's learning how to work on Jeeps already. Oh yeah. We'll show them what it looks like in here. She learned how to solder and use connectors and shrink tubing and electrical tape. We used a spare car horn we had and made it work for pretty much $0. So, hit it again. Alright, drive off and give us a honk.
Ooh, Dad made you a ramp, huh? Cool. Having fun?
Yep.
Cool. Growing. Seriously? Yeah. Oh, it totally popped and it just went down. See how it's all over the top there? Sure.
What you doing there?
Eating in the Jeep.
Down there. Stood there. What you doing there?
Eating.
What you down there?
Eating. Eating! Don't leave me alone, I'm eating.
Down there.
I'm trying to eat.